Welcome back to our video series on Power BI Basics. Today we're going to show you how to download Power BI Desktop. Whether you're a data enthusiast or a professional looking to enhance your reporting skills, Power BI Desktop is a great place to get started. Today we're going to be showing you how to download Power BI Desktop. First, open your web browser and either go to the official Microsoft Power BI download page or search Download Power BI Desktop. Once you're on the download page, you're going to see several options. So you're going to see Microsoft Power BI, Microsoft Power BI Mobile, Microsoft On-Premises Data Gateway, Power BI Report Server, and Power BI Report Builder. What we're going to do is we're going to go to Microsoft Power BI Desktop and we're going to click the Advanced Download options. Once you're on this page, you're going to select the newest version and your appropriate language. For me, that language is English, and we're going to click the download button. Since my computer is a 64-bit Windows computer, I'm going to choose to download the 64-bit setup exe, and I'm going to click the download button. The download will now start. Now that you have the install exe, you're going to go ahead and you're going to double click it. I've moved it out onto my desktop for ease of use. Once it pops up, you're going to select your language. For me, it's English. You're going to click Next, approve the install, and then it's going to prepare to install. Once it's ready, you're going to click Next again, accept the license agreement, click Next, and then click Next one more time, and then finally click Install. Microsoft Power BI will now install. Now that it's finished install, click Finish and watch as Microsoft Power BI Desktop opens up on your laptop for the first time. And there you have it. Power BI is now installed and ready to use. You can start creating your reports and your visualizations right away. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for the rest of the series. Happy data analyzing. See you in the next video.